The U.S. government has been gradually moving away from paper-based federal payments in favor of electronic transactions. This shift is aimed at reducing costs, improving efficiency, and enhancing security in financial transactions. With technological advancements and the rise of digital banking, direct deposits, and mobile payments, paper checks and other traditional payment methods are becoming obsolete. As this transition continues, many Americans, especially Social Security recipients, veterans, and federal employees, will experience significant changes in how they receive government funds. Here are the top 10 changes that will take place as the U.S. phases out paper-based federal payments. 1. Mandatory electronic direct deposits for federal benefits. One of the biggest changes is that all federal benefit payments, including Social Security, Supplemental Security Income, SSI, and veterans benefits, will be sent electronically rather than by paper check. This means that beneficiaries must have a bank account or sign up for a prepaid government debit card, such as the Direct Express debit card, to receive their payments. 2. Elimination of paper checks for federal tax refunds. Millions of Americans still receive paper checks for their IRS tax refunds, but this option is being phased out in favor of direct deposit. This change is designed to speed up refund processing, reduce check fraud, and lower administrative costs. Taxpayers who do not have a bank account will need to choose an alternative, such as a prepaid debit card or mobile wallet. 3. Faster and more secure payments. Electronic payments are faster and more secure compared to paper checks, which can get lost, stolen, or delayed in the mail. With direct deposit, funds are available instantly on the scheduled payment date, eliminating the need for people to cash or deposit checks manually. 4. Reduction in government spending on payment processing. The federal government spends billions of dollars annually on printing, mailing, and processing paper checks. By switching to electronic payments, the government can save taxpayers money by cutting down on costs related to paper, postage, fraud prevention, and check cashing services. 5. Increased use of digital payment platforms. With the decline of paper-based payments, there is a growing shift towards digital wallets, mobile banking apps, and online payment platforms. Many government agencies now allow citizens to pay fees, fines, and taxes using services like PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, or Apple Pay. This trend is expected to continue as more people prefer contactless and digital transactions over traditional banking methods. 6. Less dependency on check cashing services. Many unbanked or underbanked Americans rely on check cashing services, which often charge high fees for converting government-issued checks into cash. With electronic payments, individuals will no longer need to visit check cashing locations, as funds will be directly available in their accounts or on a prepaid card, reducing unnecessary fees and wait times. 7. Stricter identity verification and fraud protection. As paper-based payments decline, the government is introducing stronger digital security measures to prevent fraud. These include multi-factor authentication, encrypted transactions, and biometric verification to ensure that federal funds are delivered only to the intended recipients. Digital payment fraud remains a concern, but these measures aim to protect beneficiaries from scams and identity theft. 8. New federal prepaid debit card options. For those without traditional bank accounts, the government has expanded prepaid debit card options such as the Direct Express program. These cards allow individuals to receive, withdraw, and spend their federal payments without needing a checking or savings account. Over time, more prepaid card options may become available with lower fees and improved features. 9. Changes in how businesses and contractors get paid. The federal government also pays businesses, contractors, and suppliers for various services. As part of the transition, paper checks for government contracts and grants are being replaced by automated clearinghouse (ACH) transfers, wire payments, and digital invoices. This will make it easier and faster for businesses to receive payments, reducing delays caused by check processing. 10. Gradual elimination of money orders for government-related transactions. Some government agencies still accept money orders for payments like passport fees and court fines. However, with the shift to digital payments, many agencies are phasing out money order acceptance in favor of credit, debit card transactions, online bill payments, and electronic transfers. This change will make it more convenient for people to handle government-related financial transactions online. The transition away from paper-based federal payments is a major step toward modernizing the U.S. financial system. This shift will lead to faster transactions, greater security, lower costs, and improved efficiency for both the government and citizens. While some individuals, especially seniors and those without bank accounts, may find it challenging to adapt, alternative solutions such as prepaid government debit cards and mobile banking options are being provided to ease the transition. As the U.S. government continues its push for electronic payments, staying informed about these changes will help individuals and businesses prepare for a fully digital financial landscape.